Welcome back, guys. Rescued and restored. The wifey here. Hubby's gone busy doing some things for the next few days. And today is pretty much the only day that has been nice. If it's not foggy, it's windy. If it's not windy, it's rainy. If it's not rainy, it's cold. So, in today's episode, I'm going to try and take the door off Trans Am 2. I've tested all my stuff, the bolts, what they need to be. They're 7/16. I got my baggies. I think there's a Sharpie in there, but if not, I know where there's one so that I can label these so we don't lose anything. I've also got a little stool here to help keep the door in place so I don't break any glass. And if we have time, we're going to try and take some of the door trim off. So, let's get into it. I got this. Oh, okay, that was a lot easier than I was expecting. Now there's 3 bolts on each one of these hinges, and I won't be able to get into it with this big one, with most of them. So, I'm going to do the best I can with what I've got. And I got you inside the car today because it's a little windy out. So, let's just, if it gets a little shaky, I'm sorry. Oh! Try and find a place that you can see what I'm doing. Let's bring it down a little bit. A little bit more. So I got the big monster here. Because I very well can't fit the impact. Much as I would love to. And okay. I'm turning in a little bit, do I? I think I'm stuck. Readjust my stool. Yeah, you know, guys, I think I'm gonna have to go with the little one because this big one is getting stuck. So I wasn't sure. Heaven forbid that they're 7/16 and we don't have a 7/16 wrench. So now I got a bit of a conundrum. Just a little bit more in there, buddy. Almost. Okay. So, I was using the big beast. This is as long as my arm. Unfortunately, it will not go any further. So, that being said, I'll just put that down. That one back because that one's a deep, and this one is not. So I'm going to try the little one, which is as big as my hand. It's on off. Now, I do need a wrench. They're way over there. What the heck? You know, I thought I was organized. Those I don't think are gonna work, but we'll try. Yeah. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Look at all the things I have learned. You know, this whole taking apart thing is a lot easier than people think it is. I would presume that putting together is going to be worse. So, of course, the whole half turn. And the tools down there. Okay. All right, there's the first one. One down, 5 to go. Y'all are on my bags. There we go. All right, pop that in there. Got it. Now, getting out here, because soon enough the snow is going to fly. And it is September 30th. And I'm really surprised we don't have any. It's been cold enough for it, but we've been fortunate. So I'm very happy with that. Very happy with that indeed. Okay, next one done. Now, this one I'm just going to loosen off just enough. So it doesn't fall on my head or my knees. Okay, perfect. Now let's work on the top. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get those back ones, so I'm gonna try. I really am. Because I don't think a crescent wrench is gonna do. Guys, if you do see some shorts coming up, more so than long form, that's because we do not have the weather at all to get out here and work. So, take a look at a short, click on the video below, enjoy some previous content, check out a playlist. It's wonderful. And if you make it to the end of the video, we do appreciate it, because watch time hours are key. Click on one of the videos at the end. Could be there, could be there, might even be somewhere in here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment. I will reply. My tag is Crochet Revolution, just so that you know. Oh, I gotta get my wrench. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. We still have the fender and the inner fender sitting up against the car from the last time. Because I kind of got to make room in the dungeon. Because this here, in my dungeon, or my kitchen, bathroom, wherever we can, we're going to be doing some body work. We're going to learn how to do some body work. On these doors, on the Impala doors, those ones are all ready to go for the primer. They just need the body work. And then we can get those ones all painted. And then next spring, we're going to be pulling the body off the frame of the Impala to get that sandblasted and painted and ready to go for the next steps. So excited about that. Oh, fingers of strength. There we go. Okay guys, we got 2 left, and then we're gonna pack this door out, and I think we'll have time to get some of this trim off here on the bottom. So oh yeah. Oh, the pressure of this is real. Ooh. 10 minutes to get a door off? Nope, 11. Maybe more. Oh, you better not be. Oh no, they're coming out. Oh, lost it. Okay. Come on. We're so close. Okay, 1 left to go. I got a firm grasp. It's on my stool so it doesn't hit the ground real hard. And then we can take this sucker and put it with the rest of the stuff. Fender, inner fender, and hopefully get some of this trim off too. Come on, baby. Okay, what's going on here? Well, I guess we gotta go a little further. Come on. Let's see. There we go. There's that. It is literally on the ground. Now, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's wiring. Okay. Well, we're going to need a clip there. All right. There. Okay. And now, what do we need? Small. 7/16 off. There we go. Uh-oh. No, difficult. I did forget to take the wiring out. Pop that in there. You're there. Screwdriver. We're gonna need a screwdriver, guys. Do I have one? That one do. Or are we gonna need a big one? Oh, come on. I'm gonna need a longer one. Here we go. All right. Clip out. Now. Something else in here. Oh, you're over there, are you? Okay. Oh, come on, you're almost out. Ha. Nailed it. Okay. Back on my stool. You. There. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna drag it over there. Get it out of the way. Where can I go now? Oh, my tools are in the way. My other arm. There we go. Hello, Missy. All right. I'm just going to show you. That was a lot of work. But I'm turning around. Maybe. Nope. Well, anyways, guys, there we go. 20 minutes, take off a door of Trans Am 2. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.